Are you tired of spending hours trying to match your bank statements with your accounting records? What if I told you there's a faster, easier way to reconcile your bank transactions in Excel with help of XLOOKUP? Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Books, where we simplify Excel for accounting and finance. In today's video, I'll show you how to perform a complete bank reconciliation in Excel, step by step. You'll learn how to compare your cash book with bank statements.
Now take a look. Let's take a look at this interface, this template. I have my bank statement and ledger. We have three sheet here: face, bank statement, and ledger. You can find this file in the description of both solved and practice file. So if you have your bank statement, you can replace it here, and also you can extract your ledger from your accounting software anywhere you have it. And then we have a face. We can put on the discrepancy here, like let's have 4 section. Amount received not recorded in ledger. This is the amount which is we have received it in the bank, but we forgot or we did not record it in the ledger. So we have to put all the amounts and its distribution right here. And then we need to less payment made not recorded in jail. Sometimes we made payment directly from the bank. We forgot to record it in the ledger. And then we have another section which is payment made not clear in bank statement. Like we recorded the payment in ledger, like in advance. We recorded it, and then we also made the payment from the bank, but it's actually passed to other month or sometime take longer to clear from the bank. And then the last section we have amount received not clear in bank statement. This is the amount we received, but the bank actually take time to clear in the bank, and we have recorded in the ledger, so we need to less that amount. The idea for this interface is to equal our ledger balance to our bank balance. Like here we have a bank balance of 16,000, but our ledger balance is 11,000, which is 5,494 is short. So this difference should be equal to 0. We need to get down the ledger balance and equal it to bank balance. We don't have to, and we can't touch the bank, but we have to make adjustment into ledger. Now let's start with the bank statement. Here I have my 2 sections: payments with ledger and receipt with ledger. So what I mean by this is I have to find this you have to know the idea of that. Actually the receipt are credit in the bank and debit in the ledger. So this side the credit, and this side it's actually we need to match with the debit, and vice versa. So what I mean by this is the payment with ledger, I need to match, and I need to find the discrepancy from payment like this with the ledger credit. So for this I use a XLOOKUP formula, and if you want to learn XLOOKUP in detail, you can find our video. I will also mention that in the description and right above. So let's go XLOOKUP. So what I want to my payments and the ledger. So my lookup value is this, and comma, then I will come down to ledger and select all the my lookup area should be the credit side. F4 to fix it, and then I want to return again this. I want to return the value. F4, and then we need to specify if there is no record, we need to get the result, or we need to get no match. Okay, and done. Now we need to break down this. Now let's apply a conditional formula with the match record. Exit contain no match. Okay, and that's it. So all these amount which have returned are matching with our ledger. It's only the amount which are not matching in the ledger, it's returned no match. This is the 4 part transactions. So these are the payment which is not recorded in ledger, like it actually appearing in our bank statement, but it's not appearing in our ledger. So what do we need? We need to select all those, the no match amount, and copy it and come down to the face and paste it down here. Payment made not recorded in ledger. Fill, and these are our those payment which is not recorded in ledger. Now let's compare our receipt. So the method is the same. XLOOKUP, lookup value now this time is this one, and comma, and again we goes to ledger. And what is our receipt? The receipt is our debit side. F4 to fix this, and again F4 and no match, and drag it down. Now again the formatting should be applied so we can identify the no match. And these are the no match. Now these are the amount which is received in our bank, but it's not recorded in our ledger. So we need to copy this, all this one, and start, and so okay, copy this and now that's done. Now let's come down to our ledger. We need to do the same method. Now we have to identify the receipt with the bank. So what is the receipt? Here is the receipt, debit, and in the bank it's credit. So method is the same. Equal XLOOKUP value, and now this time we have to select the credit side on the bank. F4, and again F4, no match, and that's it. Let's apply the conditional formatting. No match, and now let's identify the no match amount. This one, and this one. So by now you know where we need to put the amount received with the bank. It's meaning that we have received the amount in the bank, but we did not recorded it in the ledger. So what is this? This is the amount we received and we recorded in the ledger, but it's not clear in bank statement. Okay, so we need to put it here. We need to less that amount. Okay, and for the payment, lookup. This is our payment. Sorry, this is our payment, and we need to side for F4, again F4, no match, and apply the same conditional formatting also here. And now we know what is not matching, so we need to get the amount, this one, and that's it. We have three amount, and now it's obvious we need to put it here because this is the last one. Payment made, not clear in bank statement. And now let's see, we have reconcile our bank. So this is the idea. So one thing you should keep in mind that an actual balance should not be easily reconciled like that, because an actual bank statement, you will not a lots of amount will not be like this, like whole. It will be divided into 2 to 3 transactions. In the ledger you will record it in whole amount like here 4233, but in the bank statement it will be recorded in 2 to 3 transactions. So you need to match those as well. Now you need also bring those description from bank statement and from ledger. Just filter down on this no match value, and you will copy that one and paste it down here. So now you might be thinking, oh, okay, now we reconcile our bank account, but what we have to do with these transactions? We need to record it somewhere. We need to make something of it. So for the ledger amount, you need to record it because the bank statement is accurate, and we need to adjust all. So these two you need to record right away at that date. Like you need to also mention the dates here to know this transaction, and then you need to record it with the adjustment. And for the bank statement, you need to leave those, and when you doing with the next month, when you are doing the next month reconciliation, so in the next month probably these amount will be clear in your bank statement, and you have to clear from that. You need to identify those amount, and then you need to remove it from the base. It will clear automatically with the closing balance when you do the next month reconciliations.